This is how you can connect 11 labs with n8n in only a few minutes. So when you are in n8n, you can add the 11 labs node by searching it in the search box, but here if you didn't install the node, you need to just click on it, so install the node, and it's gonna take several seconds. After it's done, we can choose a specific action, such as get a voice, delete a voice, convert text to speech, and so on. Let's pick this one. Then at the top of the page, we can click on the credential and we can create new credential. And right now we need to provide the 11 labs API key. To get this specific key, just go ahead to 11labs.io and click on login or even sign up if you don't have an account. I will click on login, and after you're there, you need to click in the left bottom corner on developers. And when you're there, you just click on API keys. Let's create the new key. And at the right side of the page, you can actually choose some specific options, okay? So here you can give it an access to just use text to speech, speech to speech, speech to text, and so on. So let's give him some specific access and let's create our very own key. We can copy it to clipboard and then just go ahead to n8n and paste it right there and click on save. And this is exactly how you can connect 11 labs with n8n. Then you can provide the voice, text, and just choose all of actions with 11 labs and basically use it.